5:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 11:33 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 4 and 6 inches of rain have fallen earlier today. Additional rainfall amounts of 2 to 4 inches are possible in the warned area for the night. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Expected hazards include flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. The following effects are expected: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Miami, Veneta, Grove, Commerce, Chelsea, Fairland, Aston, Quapaw, Welch, Bernice, Ketchum, Blue Jacket, Wyandotte, Deep Rapids, Tualamu, Pitcher, Narcissa, Clear, Bernice State Park, White Oak. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. The current time is 11:35 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
Don't mind my reminder.
At 11 p.m. at the Tulsa International Airport, a thunderstorm was reported. The temperature was 72.70. Relative humidity 93%. The wind was northwest at 24, gusting to 35. The pressure was 29.90 inches and rising. Around Oklahoma this hour. In Oklahoma City, it was cloudy with a temperature of 75. In Bartlesville, it was mostly cloudy with a temperature of 71. In McAllister, it was partly cloudy with a temperature of 79. In Ponca City, it was mostly cloudy with a temperature of 71. At the Sand Springs Airport, thunder was reported with a temperature of 71. At the Jenks Riverside Airport, light rain was falling with a temperature of 73. In Tahlequah, it was mostly cloudy with a temperature of 75. In Muskogee, light rain was falling with a temperature of 79. Around the region, in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, it was mostly cloudy with a temperature of 86. In Kansas City, it was mostly cloudy with a temperature of 70. In Joplin, it was cloudy with a temperature of 76. At Springfield, it was partly cloudy with a temperature of 75.
You have 100
In
messages.
Wichita, it was partly cloudy with a temperature of 71. In Fort Smith, it was clear with a temperature of 82. And in Fayetteville, it was partly cloudy